everybody, welcome back to a Meowy Christmas. Yes, and today we are going to have some Christmas books, or at least hopefully. I think they've actually got something planned this time. So we actually managed to plan for a video? I believe so, Taggy. I believe we actually know what we're going to do this episode. That is good. Now, let's bring in... Are you guys ready? Yes. Alright. Hello. Hi. I have some Christmas books to show you all. Alright. Okay, so let's get started. Oh, really? It's time to get started? What was that? No, get that out of here. Hey. Why does that thing really have to make an appearance every episode? Hey, you should let him on a little bit at least. Okay, but still. Tiggy, be nice. Okay, so you have some Christmas books. Yep, I do. And they're actually Christmas this time. Or at least, I hope they are. Well, alright. Let's see them. Okay, so first up we have... Oh, this is a big pile of books. The Great Zombie Invasion. Oh. It's hard to hold these things up. They're so heavy. It's a great book. Really magnificent. Then we have Attack of the Shadow Crafters. Aw, yeah. Look, isn't it beautiful? The sword's chipped. It's got the fight, evil. And then we have Herobrine's War. I think that's Herobrine up there because he's, like, weird and stuff. And then look at all those bad guys, like that guy and stuff. And, yep, well, there's your Christmas books for you. But those aren't Christmas books. Those are just random books. Oh. Good thing we were prepared for this. We know that, well, you're not exactly the greatest at picking out Christmas books. Oh. So we brought one. Okay. Well, bye then. So today, I will be showing you guys an actual Christmas book. The 12 Cats of Christmas. By somebody. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Okay. Gonna try to get the right... This thing is big. Ginormous, even. 12 Cats of Christmas. Blah, blah. Alright. Why does it say it so many times? On the first day of Christmas, my true cat sent to me a fat mouse in a fir tree. On the second day of Christmas, my true cat sent to me 2 tomcats twisting and a fat mouse in a fir tree. Oh! On the third day of Christmas, my true cat sent to me 3 fluffy Persians, 2 tomcats twisting, and a fat mouse in a fir tree. Oh, it's hard to turn these big pages. Hope you guys can see it all right. On the 4th day of Christmas, my true cat sent to me 4 floating kitties, 3 fluffy Persians, 2 tomcats twisting, and a fat mouse in a fir tree. On the 5th day of Christmas, my true cat sent to me 5 goldfish, 4 floating kitties, 3 fluffy Persians, 2 tomcats twisting, and a fat mouse in a fir tree. On the 6th day of Christmas, my true cat sent to me 6 fireballs feasting, 5 goldfish, 4 floating kitties, 3 fluffy Persians, 2 tomcats twisting, and a fat mouse in a fir tree. On the 7th day of Christmas, my true cat sent to me 7 Siamese sailing, 6 fur balls feasting, 5 goldfish, 4 floating kitties, 3 fluffy Persians, 2 tomcats twisting, and the fat mouse in a fir tree. This is getting hard. On the 8th day of Christmas, my true cats into me, 8 felines fishing, 7 Siamese sailing, 6 fur balls feasting, 5 goldfish, 4 floating kitties, 3 fluffy Persians, 2 tomcats twisting, and a fat mouse in a fir tree. Man, you're good. Thank you. On the 9th day of Christmas, my true cats sent to me 9 pussycats playing, 8 felines fishing, 7 Siamese sailing, 6 fur balls feasting, 5 goldfish, 4 floating kitties, 3 fluffy Persians, 2 tomcats twisting, and a fat mouse in a fir tree. On the 10th day of Christmas, my true cats sent to me 10 tabbies bathing, 9 pussycats playing, 8 felines fishing, 7 Siamese sailing, 6 fur balls feasting, 5 goldfish, 4 floating kitties, 3 fluffy Persians, 2 tomcats twisting, and a fat mouse in a fir tree. On the 11th day of Christmas, my true cats sent to me 11 kitty cats leaping, 10 tabbies bathing, 9 pussycats playing, 8 felines fishing, 7 Siamese sailing, 6 fur balls feasting, 5 goldfish, 4 floating kitties, 3 fluffy Persians, 2 tomcats twisting, and a fat mouse in a fir tree. I think we're almost done here. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true cats sent to me 12 cats a-clawing, 11 kitty cats sleeping, 10 tabbies bathing, 9 pussycats playing, 8 felines fishing, 7 Siamese sailing, 6 fur balls feasting, 5 goldfish, 4 floating kitties, 3 fluffy Persians, 2 tomcats twisting, and a fat mouse in a fir tree. 12 cats a-clawing, 11 kitty cats sleeping, 10 tabbies bathing, 9 pussycats playing, 8 felines fishing, 7 Siamese sailing, 6 fur balls feasting, 5 goldfish, 4 floating kitties, 3 fluffy Persians, 2 tomcats twisting, and a fat mouse in a fir tree. Yay! Bravo! Bravo! Let's just make sure that's it. You know, there could be something else. Nothing else. Nope. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed the reading and basically singing of the 12 Cats of Christmas, sung by none other than me. Good job. Now, bye guys. Have a meowy Christmas. Also, it's getting really, really close to Christmas. So, that's exciting. Bye!